वेलकम चिल्ड्रन। आज की वर्कशीट नंबर 30 गेटिंग टू नो प्लांट्स। इस चैप्टर में आज हम ट्रांसपायरेशन प्रोसेस के बारे में जानेंगे। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसपायरेशन। द वाटर that falls on the ground is absorbed by the roots of plants and then it moves to the stem and leaves of the plants. So water is absorbed by the roots of the plants and then it is transferred to different parts of the plant. This water is then converted into vapor which goes out from the leaves to the leaves of the plant to the atmosphere. It means water goes back to the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. This process is known as transpiration. So, what do you mean by transpiration? Transpiration means it is a process of loss of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant. Aerial parts कौन से हैं बच्चों? Parts of the plant which are above the soil or above the ground. So it can be, this process can be done by leaves or stem of the plant. So process of loss of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant is called transpiration. Water vapors are released in the atmosphere through stomata present in the leaves. What do you mean by stomata? Stomata are tiny pores present in the aerial part of the plant, especially in lower surface of the leaves. So these tiny holes are called stomata. So through these stomata the process of transpiration take place. It means loss of water in the form of water vapor of the plant or in the form of water vapor, water goes back to the atmosphere. Now look at the figure given here and now answer. What does leaves do? Here a picture is given to you. In this picture a plant branch is covered with the polythene and this shows the process of transpiration. After some time we get the water droplets or tiny water droplets on the wall of polythene. From where does it come? It comes by the process of transpiration or by the process of transpiration through the stomata present in the leaves. So, function of leaves is process of transpiration or to release the water vapor in the atmosphere which is absorbed by the root. So extra water present in the plant goes to the atmosphere by the process of transpiration. Now how do plants make their food? Plants make their own food in their leaves. Means they didn't get food from any other soil or water. They form or they make their own food in the leaves. They do not get food from the soil or from water. The leaves of the plant make food for the plant because why the leaves make food? Leaves make food for the plant because they have green pigment. क्या है बच्चों उनके पास? They have green pigment and this green pigment is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in the leaves of the or green parts of the plant which help in making food for the plant. Plant make food in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Means plant make their food by the help of or with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. So children, what do you mean by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants or leaves of the plant make their own food by using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Here the picture is given to you. In this picture, this one is carbon dioxide gas. The plant take carbon dioxide and water from the soil and they release oxygen gas during the photosynthesis. Now question answer, mark true and false. First, to make food a plant needs oxygen. This is wrong. It needs carbon dioxide. Plant get food from the soil. No, this is also wrong. Plants make food in their green leaves. Yes, food is formed in the green leaves because the chlorophyll is present in the green leaves. Sunlight is needed for the photosynthesis. Very true. ये भी सही है बच्चों. The plant gets food from the sun. No. They plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Thanks for watching.